Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownies without chocolate. First, gather your dry ingredients. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together thoroughly in a large bowl, making sure there are no lumps. This ensures an even distribution of flavor and leavening throughout your brownies. Next, in a separate microwave-safe bowl, melt 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Stir in 1½ cups of granulated sugar until well combined. Allow this mixture to cool slightly before whisking in 2 large eggs, 1 at a time, followed by 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, slowly incorporate your dry ingredient mixture into the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the batter. Once your batter is ready, pour it evenly into a greased 9 by 13-inch baking pan. Spread it out with a spatula to ensure a consistent thickness. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with moist crumbs. Let the brownies cool completely on a wire rack before slicing them into squares. This patience ensures a fudgy texture. For an even richer brownie, consider using Dutch processed cocoa powder. You can also customize your brownies by adding 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, chopped nuts, or even a swirl of peanut butter to the batter before baking. These simple additions can elevate your dessert. And speaking of elevating things, if you're looking to elevate your financial thinking, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade brownies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.